Good day, everyone. Do you really know yourself? Have you ever asked yourself the questions, who am I? How would I describe myself? Do I love myself? What are the most grateful in my life? What are the biggest and most important things I've learned in life so far? Those questions will be answered by this video presentation. Let's talk about concept and nature of self. The following questions will be answered by this video presentation. 1. Who are you? 2. How would you describe yourself? 3. Do you love yourself? If yes, why? And if it's not, why not? 4. What are you most grateful for in life? And lastly, what are the biggest and most important things you have learned in life so far?
Hi everyone, I'm Brian. I'm 18 years old. I'm currently living at Barangay Barreto, Olongapo City, province of Zambales. I describe myself as the following. I'm optimistic, adventurous, God-fearing, and creative. Of course, I love myself. It is because no one else will love you completely but yourself. And in the end, loving yourself will make you bold. I am grateful to God, of course, because He saved me and loved me for who I am. To the people around me who truly loves me, appreciate me, respect me and believe in me, to those who keeps fighting with me, they are the one who I am grateful the most. At the age of 18, I really learned a lot. The biggest and most important things I have learned in life so far are the following. Failures makes us more beautiful. Believe in second chances. Trust no one except yourself. Always give your 100% to all things. Time is water. Trust the God's plans.
Instruction. Look at yourself in the mirror and answer the following questions. How can you describe yourself based on your own perspective or point of view? What aspect of yourself do you feel good about and why? What aspect of yourself do you believe you have to improve and why? How can you describe yourself based on your own perspective or point of view? From looking myself in the mirror, I noticed that I'm flawed, I'm imperfect. But those things makes me unique from others. One good thing I noticed to myself was being humble. What aspect of yourself do you feel good about and why? The aspect of myself I feel good about is my spiritual aspect. Being faithful, for the reason that I was raised godly fear by my parents. What aspect of yourself do you believe you have to improve and why? The aspect of myself I believe I have to improve is my social aspect. It is because some says I'm friendly, however, I see myself not. I want to have a lot of friends. Friends who can rely to me and I can rely on. Activity number 4. You are now a freshman student. Your role in the community and college. Each of you is expected to do something for the community. Now, the question is, can you identify the things that you expect to do for the community? As a college student, the things that I expect to do in or outside the school premises are the following. Be a good student. Obey the laws of the land and also the moral laws. Do community services and be a good example to others.
Now that all the questions have been answered, I hope you have learned something from this video presentation. Until we meet again, see you!